Alright. Taking a photo for Ashley with his damn train. Alright guys, first stop of the morning here at Coco Rujo, picking up breakfast with Ashley and Danny today. Not a bad place for breakfast. Coco Rujo. Alright, on to the next. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Markel here, back with another video. So today we decided to head out and go to this little town called Cisneros. Cisneros, about an hour and a half outside of Medellin. And as you can see, this is a beautiful country, man. For those of you that like to look at the countryside, this for sure is one of the natural beauties. And as we go into Cisneros here, Cisneros is pretty warm. It's kind of like going to San Jeronimo, Santa Fe. You know, you go into the little town and there's a lot of people in Cisneros. Never realized that, man, but yeah, when you go in here, because I've been here before, this is probably my third time being in this town, and there's a lot going on here in this little town, but mainly we went because Ashley wanted to go and hang out at the little river, at the little stream, so now she wants to take some photos. Hola, señor. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, bien. Okay, cambio. All right, so after she takes some photos, we decide that we're gonna go and hang out at one of those little streams, you know, like either by a waterfall if we could get to it. And that's one of the things is like the locals make it sound real simple that you can get to these areas. And as we're going up, you know, you're always gonna have somebody that wants to be your guide, that, you know, that's their little hustle. That's what my man was doing right here, trying to earn him a little money, right? And he was telling us about this area where you can walk down. Well, we're at the top, and obviously you can see the streams at the bottom. No.
Hay que caminar 15 minuticos, pero la entrada es más leve. Es en travesía para el azul.
Yo no.
Y por allí, por el camino de allí abajo del otro que hay allí, venga, miren allí otro. Camino.
Mira. Oh, no.
Allí hay otro.
¿Qué es otro?
Más arriba.
¿Más arriba?
Pero no hay que bajar escalas.
Este es no escalas.
Pero no hay que bajar escalas.
Mira, este es no escalas.
Esto sí es escalas.
No.
Pero son muy peligrosas.
Ashley, tú gusta Chaco.
I like it charcoal.
All right, guys, so just to fill in a little bit, so that guy wanted us to go down that steep stairs or whatever they want to call it. That's not stairs. That's just something to blow your knee out. But anyway, it was a lot of fun hanging out in Cisneros. We decided to leave since we couldn't make it down to the streams. And hey, we're just gonna head back, and I'll see you guys on the next one.